Sendspark is video for sales that scales. Use Sendspark in your outreach or follow-up emails to stand out from the crowd, spark more conversations, and close deals faster. Once you install the Chrome extension, you're going to start seeing Sendspark in the compose windows of many of your favorite messaging platforms like Gmail, LinkedIn, Outreach, and HubSpot. And you can pin it to your browser, and then you can record from any web page. Record yourself, your screen, or both to make personalized messages, product demos, or customer tutorials. After you've recorded your video, you can make some quick edits before sending it off. It's easy to trim videos right from your browser. And you can combine videos to easily send pre-recorded videos with your custom recording. Just click Add Video to merge in a second video. And do you want your viewer to schedule a meeting with you right after watching your video? Just apply a template to instantly add a custom message and a link to your calendar with just one click. And now, just click Insert Video or copy the link of your video to share it anywhere. You can also go into Gmail and use the integration. Your viewer will see an animated thumbnail in their inbox, and they can click to watch the full video in their browser and click the call to action to continue forward in your sales process. To send the same video to multiple people, you can click into your video and add placeholders for each viewer's first name, company name, and job title. Then you can go ahead and embed it into email templates in your automation platform like HubSpot, Outreach, or Reply.io. If you don't see yours, you can go into this Edit Add button and you can choose from any of the other integrations that we have. Then, once you click on it, the video will automatically personalize for each of your viewers. This is just the beginning. Sendspark has a wealth of features to help you and your team connect at scale. Create your free account today to start getting more replies and messages from your sales outreach.
Sendspark makes it easy to send personalized videos at scale in your SkyLead LinkedIn automation. So when you send a video through LinkedIn, your viewer is going to see their first name on the video preview here. The way you set this up, first you record or upload your video into Sendspark. If you already have a video, just click on this upload button here to upload it. And if you want to record a new one, then you can click Start Recording to record yourself, your screen, or yourself over your screen in the floating bubble like this. And then to add the dynamic personalization, you just click into the video that you want to edit. And on the left side here, you can edit like the text around the video. So this header at the top, this is what's going to show up in this first line here on LinkedIn. So you can write whatever you want someone to see. And you can add placeholders for their name or their company or job title, depending on what you want to do. So what you would do, I'll delete this so you can see. You can just write, hey, and then click on this personalized tag. And now you can see their first name, company name, or job title. So you can add this here. You can also customize this message, which is what goes below the video. And people are going to see this after they click the video preview that you sent. And then it opens on a new page like this. And this is where they can see this message as well as your call to action, which is what they should do immediately after watching the video. If you want them to schedule time in your calendar or learn more or sign up free, you can add all of that in the button here. Once everything looks good and is ready to share, just click on this Share Video option, and then you can copy the snippet for SkyLead. And then what you want to do is just go into your SkyLead sequence, and you can paste it here. So all you want to do is paste it in this message, and then make sure to set the fallbacks here. So you need to set a fallback for your company, for the role, And then you also have to fill out this days and hours. And then if everything looks good, you'll see this blue in your LinkedIn automation. One tip to keep in mind, when you send the videos in LinkedIn, this preview message only shows if you're already connected to the person you're reaching out to. So if you send a video in your connection request or in an email when you're not connected, they just see the link, and it's not as engaging as when they can see, like your face in their email. So what I recommend is setting up a sequence like this, where the first step is that you invite them to connect, and then only if connected, send the video as a message. And this way you're going to see a little bit more engagement. And I usually just leave the connection request empty. So kind of up to you if you want to add a message there, or just leave it blank and then save the message for after you're already connected. Let us know if there's anything we can help with. Really happy to see you using video to connect at scale, and happy recording.